Okay, so for the past 20 days or so, I've been literally just sketching in my sketchbook every day. On mainly Instagram, I started it, but I'm also doing it on TikTok and YouTube. It's the same video, so go follow me. Links down below to my link tree. So yeah, I've been drawing for 20 days straight. It's still continuing at the moment on my Instagram too, so like I said, follow me down below. And yeah, so I mainly just started this series to kind of get myself out of like my art funk, and I've just been feeling really demotivated, and this has kind of helped me a lot on just learning to sketch, and sketches don't have to be perfect. There's been a lot of like here and there. I've gotten a lot of love online for posting them every day, but also there's been, with love comes hate. So I've had a few comments saying like, oh my god, your art's not good, or oh my god, the sketch could be better, or just stick to the basics, or something like that. But that's not what I'm going for here. I just wanted to get out of my funk, like I said, and a lot of my artist friends need to hear that. You just sketch to sketch. It doesn't have to be perfect, just draw. Drawing is fun. It's meant to be fun, and it's not meant to be perfect. If it was perfect, then robots would be doing it, like AI. Fuck AI. I've been doing this for about 20 days straight, and it's made me feel so motivated art-wise, and I'm so happy to be doing it. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you all of the drawings that I've been working on so far. And I want to help people, especially artists, motivate y'all to just draw. Just draw whenever you can, at least once a day, for like 5 minutes. I literally took like 5 minutes out of my day every day for 20 days to draw these. So like nothing crazy. And yeah. So what's up guys? Like I said, I've been drawing for the past 20 days straight on my social media accounts, doing shorts. I've been taking about 5 minutes every day just to draw in my sketchbook. Literally has helped me so much. Just learn to draw if I want to, not that I have to, and that's really helped me a lot as an artist. Also, pardon the beard, it's getting a little long. I'm trying to grow it out, but I probably need to shave it up a little bit. Also, pardon the studio up here. Like I said in a few videos before, we're in the process of trying to find a new house, so that's been kind of stressful. That's kind of why it's taken me so long to make these videos. Sorry, it's very echoey too. Hopefully I can fix that in my editing. But like I said, we're gonna get straight into this. I'm gonna show you all 20 days of my drawings. I have a couple extra days actually that I'll show y'all, because it is still going on at the moment, but I probably will be ending it soon. So I'll show you a few of these and we'll just go right through it. And like I said, any artist that needs to hear it, just draw to draw. Don't listen to people online, especially people that, aren't artists, because artists know behind the scenes it's a lot of work. So just sketch, even if it's bad, just do it. It could come out good, it could come out bad, but you never learn if you don't do it. Okay, so here is the sketchbook. I put a bunch of my custom stickers. I did all these drawings digitally, and made them stickers at my old job, so I like how that came out. Yeah, so like I said, I've always had problems with just sketching to sketch. I've always wanted my sketches to be perfect, and that's not really the point of sketching. The point of sketching is to get a base layer to eventually make something perfect, or just to have fun and just doodle. So this is day one. I did a lot of portraits for this. That's kind of the theme of it. I did a car and something else here and there, but mainly portraits. This is the first one that I came up with. I like it. And you'll see a lot of these are in a similar style, because I am trying to get better at different angles, but at the moment, this is what I got. So there's that guy. Day two, I did like this elf girl. Like I said, I tried to do like a side profile, so that was fun. Day three, did like a cat girl, so that was pretty cool. I like how that one came out a lot. Day four is this mushroom girl. I thought that was kind of cool. Just, I kind of started getting a little bored towards day four, so I kind of just did something random. Day five, another portrait of a guy. Like I said, it was kind of hard to come up with like creative characters while still kind of just not taking too much time on it. So I did take about 5 minutes on each of these, I'd say, at the most. Some a little bit faster, some a little shorter. Day 6, Gumball Man. Kind of looks like the guy from, what's that show? Regular Show. And then day 7, did another like side profile. I like that one a lot. Day 8, another kind of generic looking guy, but I probably didn't have much time that day. Day 9, I got a suggestion on YouTube to make an astronaut, so I did that. I was kind of not feeling it, but I thought it was kind of cool. Day 10, another character. Day 11, I did Luffy from One Piece, which technically is, well, I didn't say yet, but I was doing a series where I draw with no references for 20 days. So all of these, there's no references at all. It's just straight from my head. But technically, I guess this could be considered a reference since that is a character, but I didn't look at any pictures, basically. Day 12, as you can tell, I was getting bored, so chop stuff up, looks kind of cool, I guess. Day 13, I did like a half skull, half thing. I thought that was really dope. Day 14, some weird looking water guy, basically. Water balloon looking dude. Day 15, I think came out really good. A lot of these, like, I'm trying to get better at anime style too. So some of these are kind of anime-ish. And then day 16, this guy, cyberpunk looking bike rider dude. So I thought that was kind of cool. Someone suggested that I do full page. So this one did take a little bit longer. I believe like 10 minutes max, I'd say. But yeah, so this is day 17. And yeah, I like this one a lot. The full page definitely helped because, like I said before, I took about 5 minutes on these and they're very small, like compared to my hand. This is a small sketchbook. So it's hard to get a lot of detail. But this one came out okay. The proportions like in this area aren't that great, but it's not bad. Day 18, I did another full-size one. I thought that was pretty cool. I love this one, honestly. Maybe just the eyes make them a little smaller, but I think it's pretty cool. And there's so many different characteristics to people and styles that you can do for art to where you can't really be nitpicky on someone's art and be like, oh, that looks awful. Eyes don't actually look like that. It's a style choice. And like, some people maybe have eyes like that. Like, all faces look different, is what I'm trying to say. So here's day 19. I did a car just to kind of switch it up because I was getting bored with the portraits. And day 20, I did a race car driver like outfit. So I thought that was kind of cool. Goes with the car. And here's a couple more days. Day 22, I did this guy. I don't really like him at all. Day 23, I did this, which I've done something similar to this before, so that was really fun. This is probably one of my favorite ones. And day 24, this little cat guy. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I was just sketching every day for 20 days plus, and it definitely helped me just kind of like ease my mind on like making something perfect. Like I still had it back in my head that this has to look good, but I didn't worry about it as much. And I don't think you should worry about it as much if you're an artist. And just the message from this is just to sketch. And that's what I keep saying. But I've had to teach myself that because of how I'm kind of like a perfectionist when it comes to my art. And that's good and all. Like you get really good results with that most of the time, but you're ultimately gonna be unhappy if you make something bad. So you gotta make something bad to make something good, basically. I can show y'all some of my favorite artwork. This is my like portfolio. This isn't mine, this is a commission that I got done from someone. But yeah, so this is like all pencil paper and stuff, and Prismacolor pencils and stuff like that. I've showed this on here before, so I'm just gonna kind of flip through it real quick. But like I said, I'm usually too much of a perfectionist, and that's why I'm trying to learn anime style and just different styles in general, and sketching. I really want to learn just to not care what it looks like, because I think the whole like social media aspect of things, when I started posting online, is when I started seeing that I wanted everything to look perfect. And it doesn't have to, but it looks good when it does, basically. So I need to make more drawings for this. This is like my main portfolio. But yeah, so I have like a lot of sketchbooks in this box over here. You can't really see it, can't really move the camera right now. But like I said, I'm gonna start sketching more. getting better at things, hopefully, and just drawing the draw. And yeah, so if y'all like this video, like I said, please like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification for more. Like I said, I'm moving right now, so it might take a little longer to post these videos, but I've been doing daily shorts too, if you haven't seen that. And comment down below if you're an artist, what's the hardest part about art for you? And what do you think you could improve on, I guess? But like I said, hope this helps y'all, and this was very fun to just kind of sketch. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Man, what is wrong with this computer? I don't know what's going on. Oh! Hey, let me lift you up real quick. There we go. If you liked the video you just watched, if you could please like this video. Comment down below what you liked about the video, or what I told you to comment down below at the beginning of the video, whatever happened. And also, the biggest one of them all, please subscribe to this channel, because I will be making plenty more art and tutorial videos and just vlogs and everything in between. Like I said, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also, if you're watching this on a TV screen, I saw someone else do this before, take your phone out, take the camera out if you're using a smartphone. I hope you are, it's 2024. And take a picture of this QR code. This QR code tells you to subscribe. So, better not make it angry. All right, I'll see y'all later, peace. God, he's gonna kill me.